In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Instagram Close Friends green ring. Unfortunately, you cannot turn off, hide, or remove the green ring on Instagram. This is part of Instagram's design. Whenever someone shares a story, note, or other content exclusively with their close friends list, Instagram automatically displays a green ring or green indicator. This lets selected viewers know that the content was shared only with close friends. At the moment, there is no setting that allows you to disable this feature, either as a viewer or as the person posting the content. The only way to avoid the green ring is to stop using the close friends feature and share your content normally instead. And that's everything you need to know about the Instagram Close Friends green ring. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.